In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple way to make realistic looking bricks using egg cartons. Take a piece of egg carton and begin by drawing out your bricks. If you want them to be uniform shaped, it's useful to use a stencil for this. Paint your base using black or any color that you would like to show in between the bricks. Starting in the middle of the base, begin gluing down the bricks. I use universal craft glue. Once the glue is dry enough that the bricks won't move around, cover the surface of the bricks with glue. Use a glue that's quite thin so that it doesn't fill up the gaps between the bricks. Covering the bricks with glue at this stage makes sure that they're really stuck down, and it also stops the paint from absorbing too much into the bricks. Once the glue is dry, cover the bricks in your base color. Next, choose an undertone for the color of your bricks. I chose a brown color called gold ochre. You could also choose a gray tone or even a red tone depending on what sort of bricks you want. Now it's time to paint some of the individual bricks with different colors. This gives a more realistic look and gives a variety of colors in the finished product. I used my original gold ochre color mixed with some dark brown, some white and some black. I just mixed together the colors on the plate to get a variety of different colors and then painted individual bricks with the individual colors. I used a dry paintbrush and light brown paint to paint in some details. Make sure the brush is very dry, dip it in the paint, and then wipe most of the paint off. Then lightly brush across the surface of the bricks. Then I did the same thing with the white paint. I diluted black paint with water to make a black wash. I then dropped this on the surface of the bricks and lightly brushed it in.